guys, welcome back to our channel. We are still on the same rain gutter installation, man. You know, y'all see the first dude that we used. He's never done something like this before, where they lied. He said he's done something like this before, that he does it all the time. Not knowing that the one that he somehow knows how to do was the one with the regular, those round PVC pipes. He's never done this before. Y'all can see from the first video how he was going about it, and I had to even show him how to do it, how to, put the pipes together into the joints and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, when we got fed up with him, we just had to let him go. We paid him whatever we owe him, or whatever he's charged us, and that was it. So we had to look for another person. So we got this one from another person that introduced him to me just at the first one. But this one was a bit come forward. I said, okay, I haven't done this before. He's going to give it a try. I said, okay, fine. Because he said that it's just the same process. It's just the only difference is the materials, the shape of the pipes and everything. So, but it's going to use his knowledge and the other one to do this one. So we gave him a try. So, he started it, but it's something else. You're going to see how this whole thing pans out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching our videos and reaching out to us, those that was the artisans, for them to use. Inbox them the necessary contacts of the artisans, and we're still up here, doing what we said we're going to do. We let you see how it is. We're not filtering anything out. If there's any mistakes, you guys gonna see everything. Let's go ahead and see what this dude has to offer. So we ain't got much time left, man. We only have a week to go. So we might just let this one also go, because the way he was doing it, it wasn't what we really wanted. Guys, I ain't gonna waste much of your time. Sit down, relax, and watch the video.
Is it the glue?
The glue is right there. Yeah, the other blue one is also there. It's raining. So it's raining right now. We're trying to do the roof downspout. So now it's raining. It's short. It has to go further more a little bit.
That is how it's supposed to be, but you see, when we continue it with with a straight joint, are you listening?
Where it's coming down is the wrong place. It's short. It's supposed to be.
So it will come. Bend and then it will come.
No.
We can't use this. We can't use this.
It's supposed to go like this, then go in, then come down.
I know.
The way you're going to do it right now is not good.
It will come.
Is there a glue in that one? Huh? Solomon, did you put glue in that white one?
Pardon?
Did you put glue in the white,
Yes.
the white pipe
Yes.
before you join it to the elbow?
Are you talking about here?
No, where the white one goes into the elbow.
No, I haven't.
Oh,
I
okay.
just want to do the calculation first.
Oh, okay. I think you are putting the glue in the wrong place. You put the glue in the wrong place. You put it on the inside, it's supposed to be on the outside.
All the blues that I applied the inside.
Really?
Yes.
Then that really hold.
Pardon?
Because this one is going to go.
Hey, instead of here.
Yeah.
Oh. Just one, the one down there was inside.
They use enough glue, okay? Use enough glue. If you need more glue, I'll go and get it for you. That one keeps coming down. Solomon, I think you turned the bend the wrong way. The black bend. I think it's the wrong way. It's not supposed to go inside it because it's receiving the water. Because the lower one is one receiving the water. The upper was supposed to go. You turn it the wrong way. Why not let the one entering the funnel to go high? Let it go high. It can't go more than that. Okay. Because that one has to go high, then it has to slope down a little bit. Yeah. No, it's not sloping down. It's going up. The pipe is going up. No, the pipe itself has to slope down. You don't see it? No. Yeah, it has gone up. So the water will not flow.